If you're a skincare lover, you need to know this. There's a hidden gem in your kitchen that can transform your skin. The secret to flawless glass skin is right in your kitchen. Rice. Yes, you heard that right. This humble grain is packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your skin. Rice isn't just for dinner. It's a versatile ingredient that has been used in beauty rituals for centuries, especially in Asian cultures. It's a skincare superstar. Rice water, in particular, is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Start with rice water. This simple yet powerful ingredient can be a game changer for your skincare routine. Soak half a cup of rice in 2 cups of water for 30 minutes. This allows the nutrients to seep into the water, creating a potent skincare solution. Strain it and save that milky goodness. This rice water is now ready to be used as a toner or a facial rinse. Now cleanse your face. Make sure your skin is free of makeup and impurities to fully benefit from the rice water. Splash on the rice water and let it dry. This step helps to tighten pores and improve skin texture. Your skin will drink up the nutrients, giving you that coveted glow. The vitamins and minerals in rice water help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Next up, rice flour. This ingredient is excellent for exfoliation and can be easily incorporated into your skincare routine. Mix rice flour with a bit of honey and milk to form a paste. Honey adds moisture, while milk contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates the skin. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions. This helps to remove dead skin cells and promote blood circulation. This exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens your complexion. Regular exfoliation is key to maintaining smooth and radiant skin. Rinse off and pat dry. Your skin will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. For an extra boost, try a rice mask. This mask is deeply hydrating and can help to plump up your skin. Cook some rice and blend it with milk into a smooth paste. The combination of rice and milk provides intense hydration and nourishment. Apply it evenly and relax for 15 minutes. This is your time to unwind and let the mask work its magic. Rinse off to reveal plump, hydrated skin. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and deeply moisturized. Repeat these steps twice a week and watch your skin transform. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining glass skin. It's simple, natural, and oh so effective. Incorporating rice into your skincare routine can make a significant difference. So give rice a try and get ready to glow. Your skin will thank you for the extra care and attention. Your skin will thank you. The natural ingredients in rice are gentle yet effective, making it suitable for all skin types. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more beauty secrets. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep your skin looking its best.